Hi, my name is Lily. Let me share the latest SecureTransport features and improvements with you. With this release, we've updated several third-party components that were reported in the National Vulnerability Database, including Apache Tomcat and Guava. Refer to our third-party software and licenses document for the complete list. SecureTransport no longer supports the two SFTP message authentication codes that are listed here on the screen. This is why they have been excluded from the default list when performing a fresh installation of this month's update. Updating SecureTransport to July's release removes these two algorithms from the list of allowed HMACs for new and existing SSH daemons, listeners, and transfer sites. This may affect the operation of your SecureTransport instance, so it is advisable to check for empty objects. See our release notes for REST API commands which can be used to perform the check. GET requests to almost every endpoint that has a name parameter now support the use of the asterisk as a wildcard character. It can match 0 or more characters, including an empty one. Note that if you pass an empty string as the parameter value, you will not get the objects in which this parameter is not set. You can pause the video to take a look at the endpoints and properties that have been updated to support wildcard search. The Administrator Guide has been enriched with a brand new glossary. It contains key terms and definitions, which will help you get a better understanding of SecureTransport. The terms are separated into 7 sections: server, account and organization management, authentication, processing, logging, reporting and notifications, and maintenance. The glossary will continue to be updated, so make sure you come back to check out the new content. The offline help in the administration tool also offers the same glossary, where terms are sorted in alphabetical order. You can browse the Administrator Guide and the glossary at the same time. Thank you for joining in. Apply this update using the links in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.